You shouldn't do that unless you want to be on my YouTube channel. Are you sure? Okay, so you have to legally state your name and number. Dating number. This is my friend.
Hey, welcome back. First, let me address the elephant in the room. I have my husband's shirt on and he's a mechanic. I promise you this is a very clean shirt. I'm gonna put you guys down. Welcome back. So I am in a phase in my life where there are so many changes happening and so many changes that will happen very soon. And I think my content right now is in flux a little bit. I'm not super enjoying what I'm putting out, and there are some videos that lots of you guys are not watching. I think you guys are not enjoying some of the content that I'm putting out. So what I've sort of processed over the last few weeks is that I want to lean into more lifestyle, but not like your regular lifestyle vlog, because I don't want to be a vlogger. I want to be a content creator that shares my business journey, but package it in a lifestyle frame, if that makes any sense. So how I'm planning on executing that is in 2 lifestyle series. I'm calling it lifestyle, but the themes are not exact. Anyway, okay. One is sort of the like watch me grow Morse Creatives, okay? Watch me grow my web design studio. The other series will be called Ambitious Late Bloomer, and that was inspired by my one video from I think 2023 where I laid out my 5-year plan to get my shit together, to get my life in order, because on the one hand I am ambitious as hell, and on the other hand, you know, there are some things that I can be a little lazy about, you know, where I can procrastinate, and I know that I need to improve on those things. I want to work on those so I can sort of catch up with my future version of myself, like that version who has finished college, who has started a family, who has a home, who has a business that's thriving, who, so to speak, has it all, right? Like I want that future version of me, but I recognize that me right now, current me, has lots of work to do. So I would showcase that process. I don't think you guys want me to sort of teach you anything. I think you want me to show you the process of how I'm growing my business and how I'm sort of getting my life in order. And I think that is the kind of content that I want to create ultimately. You know, that's where I started when I first started creating YouTube content in 2016. You know, I was actually, funny enough, I was getting my life in order then. Granted, I was like fresh from surviving homelessness, so the levels are not the same, but here I am still 9 years later, you know, still getting my life together, but this time as a business owner. So I want to sort of show that process in these 2 series, and I think this is where I want to take the channel, and I hope you stick along and subscribe and continue watching, continue supporting me. I appreciate it. In this video, I am going to reset my office. It looks a mess behind me, so I'm gonna do a little reset. end the vlog with a little bit of what my life has been like in Portland lately. So a bit of a spring and like early summer vlog. I went to the Rose City Festival, which was absolutely beautiful.
Oh, I don't know if... Go ahead. You shouldn't do that unless you want to be on my YouTube channel. Are you sure? Okay, so you have to legally state your name and numchick. Why you want to be on my channel? Yes, Nikki said that. It's gonna be good. Ooh! That was it. Literally 3 seconds. Yes, that's what I wanted. I wanted a video. Yeah. Oh, it's going in. Oops, it's going in the grooves. I see it. Wow. Okay. Okay. Come here. You're gonna be in the vlog. So I have your permission to be in my vlog. I can't stand you. You know, we had one. Wait. This is my friend. This is my friend. This is your normal. Completely normal. Yeah.
He knows it doesn't really just turn off. It's just incessant.
Oh, look at this pretty girl.
Well, we probably can't smoke here because they have an open window there.
Okay, now we're gonna cheers.
Cheers.
Cheers! Okay, you have to do that. This is Portland in the middle of the night. walking home from something. You don't need to know what it is. I'm just kidding. This is the St. John's Bridge at night. You can't see too much of it, but I still think it looks cool. It looks cool at night too. It's still nice.
This summer has been a little dry, mostly because I'm healing from surgery and I'm planning for the next one, so that's why. But nevertheless, I will create, content for these 2 series and take you along the journey. And this is another, ooh, should I say this part? Okay, I would just hint that transitions. If you know, like some of you who know me can probably figure out what I'm talking about, but stay tuned to the end of this year / early next year. So yeah, I'm super psyched for these 2 series, and essentially that's it. Those 2 series will be the 2 kinds of content that you will see on my channel, because you guys really like my lifestyle content. You absolutely, not that you hate it, some of you watch it, but like the bulk of you watch the lifestyle stuff. So I'm like, interesting. Okay, I will give you more of the lifestyle stuff, but still package it in the way that I want and still create, something that feels fulfilling for me as well. So I'm not just feeding the algorithm, I'm also creating something that I enjoy, so that way it's actually sustainable for me, for you guys, and for the algorithm. I have been networking a little bit with other creators and folks in the tech space scene here in Portland. It is a lot more indie than creator and tech, I will say that. Like, if you're an indie artist, like, this is your space for sure. So it's been a little hard finding a creator or like a YouTuber or influencer space here or community. There are a few meetups, they're not very active, so it's kind of difficult like finding that space. But virtually I have been networking, so that's been pretty cool. Like the video, share it with someone who will find it valuable, and yeah, I'll see you in the next one. Make sure you subscribe for more stuff like this, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye now.